Officer. Officer.
Hey, what's up, Gabe?
Hey, how's it going? I've never gotten your name. What's your name?
Donovan.
Donovan. Oh yeah, it's just been a minute.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah,
all right. No, I just wanted to. I don't know if we met, so I wanted to.
Yeah.
I try to document everyone.
How are you doing?
Good.
I haven't seen you in a while either. I've been a little MIA.
Oh, you haven't?
Yeah.
Oh, I've been around every day.
I mean, I saw you like yesterday and the day before that, but I haven't seen you like otherwise.
Oh, okay.
At the station, not out and about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Take it easy.
Yeah, you too. She looked familiar, and I remember hearing the name before, but I didn't realize who she was until later. The first time I met Donovan was about 4 years earlier in 2019. This security guard called the cops on me for recording an ambulance inside Madonna Plaza.
Technically you are, since you're not here to shop or anything, and you're still recording.
Well, loitering means you have no intended purpose, standing idly with no intended purpose. That's not what I'm doing. I'm documenting what's going on.
For what purposes?
For my purposes.
And what purpose is that?
Honestly, I'm just here recording. You don't want to get into it. It's all good.
Actually, I do because I patrol this area. This is the shopping center I patrol, and you're on private property and still recording.
Okay. I'm not trying to cause any problems. I'll leave when they leave.
But you're still recording.
I'm allowed to record.
No,
we're in public right now. We're in public.
You're on private property.
Okay, well, do what you got to do.
Okay.
Donovan showed up with Sergeant Booth and let me know how offensive it is to record the police.
Some people don't want their picture online. Some people don't want to be recorded, especially if they're not involved in the incident you're actually recording. Does that make sense? So it's a little offensive. I mean, we wear these on our chest, and we're not supposed to stop people from recording us. But even then, we can get offended by it. We can't do anything about it. We understand that, okay? I was just arrested a month or so earlier in Santa Cruz and was waiting to see if they were going to prosecute or not. I hadn't yet met my attorney, and I had no knowledge of the Pruneyard Shopping Center v. Robbins case that allows us to exercise our rights unbothered, even inside a privately owned shopping center. It was actually because of this encounter that I learned about the case. This is a private shopping complex that's accessible by the public, but the people in charge of security have the right to advise you of trespassing, and that's what they are choosing to do. They don't want you in this complex anymore, especially because you're continuing to record.
Okay.
Okay, because it's offending them, and it's creating a disturbance in the center itself. Donovan and Booth were able to successfully intimidate me into leaving the shopping center. This was a legit fail on my part for not standing up for our rights. It's a perfect example of what can happen when you don't fully know your rights. Now that I know better, it won't happen again. I had an encounter with the other, I think a lady, Choose Chew. She called the cops on me for recording.
Oh, you're the one that recorded?
That was me, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
It's all good.